The ATRACYPART interior door handle kit offers a complete set of front and rear handles for both driver and passenger sides, making it an efficient one-box solution for worn factory latches. It is engineered to match the original interior trim on Chevrolet, GMC, and Cadillac trucks and sport utility vehicles from this generation, so the cabin still looks factory correct after installation. The handles are built from sturdy materials that resist cracking and peeling, which is especially important on heavy doors that see constant daily use. Operation feels smooth and consistent, with a comfortable grip that makes opening and closing the doors feel more secure and refined. Home mechanics will appreciate that the kit is designed to bolt into the stock mounting points, so replacing broken handles can usually be done with basic tools in a single afternoon. By restoring reliable interior door function across all 4 doors, this kit can extend the practical life of high-mileage trucks and sport utility vehicles without an expensive trip to the dealership.